Open houses are a key way to not only generate leads, but to solidify the relationship with the realtor partner. Here's how it works. After establishing you will be doing an open house with your realtor, you will want to make a flyer specifically for the open house. Typically, this will have both of your information on them and some information about the house. Some loan officers like to have financing information on the flyers with the payment breakdown. However your flyer is designed, this is to promote yourself. This flyer should be in color printed on cardstock paper for your realtor partner. You must also promote this flyer on all of your social media platforms days up leading to the open house. On the day of the open house, make sure you bring some drinks, snacks, cookies, something of value for the realtor. You might want to check with them before to see what they would like you to bring. You don't want to make it seem like you are just there to shake the tree for leads. You will want to make the open house a partnership with the listing agent. Be sure to pass your flyers out to at least 100 houses within the area the morning of the open house. Also, go live on your social media to promote and give a quick tour of the home. During the open house, have your game face on. Every potential client that walks through that door is an opportunity to build rapport and do business. Also, be prepared to have your flyers, business cards, promotional items, and a guest registry present. Whether it's your guest registry or the realtor's guest registry, make sure every single family that comes to your open house signs in. No exceptions. These are your leads. These are the list of people you'll call back during your power hours the following week. We like to see at least 15 sign-ins to make it a successful open house. Open houses are a great way to generate leads and establish relationship with your realtor partners. So get out there and promote your open houses.